So guys, today's topic are very critical topic. So please understand in detail. First topic for today is CLI, which is called command line interface. I told you that you can deploy F5 via CLI or GUI. That is the first important thing. And now, right now, guys, automation is coming into picture. You all know that automation, API solution, everything is coming into picture. So you should know CLI and how to create everything like virtual server, pool member, whatever configuration is there in GUI, what we configure, we will see how to configure through CLI guides. So first of all, guys, if you understand the architecture of CLI, then it will be easy. So I will go through that architecture. So just be careful. You will learn that if you learn that architecture, you will able to clear the concept in next 15 minutes, guys. So first thing is F5 works on which platform? If I show you, we talked about F5 operating system. And F5 operating system is TMOS. And it works on Linux. So whenever you work with Linux, or when I say F5, in that case, what does it mean is your whole CLI platform is on Linux. So if you have little knowledge on Linux, then it's very good, guys. Because Linux is also mandatory nowadays. As a skill, you need to learn Linux. Even in DevOps profile, in other profiles, Linux is mandatory. And this whole platform is based on Linux. Either TCP dump or creating of configuration via CLI, everything is done via Linux. So let's understand the architecture, guys. So we will see example of one virtual server, which I have created through GUI, how we will create via CLI. So this is GUI for F5 and this is CLI of F5. This architecture we need to understand. So let's go one by one. We will walk through all the things related to CLI. And CLI full form is command line interface. So here comes the architecture. And the shell which is used in CLI is called TMSH. So we talked, I talked about two things in when I logged into PuTTY. One was TMOS mode and one was TMSH. So in Linux, the shell mode is traffic management shell. That is a Linux shell, which is used in F5. So you need to go to TMSH to view statistics, performance data, everything you can view. So whatever configuration we were checking through GUI, you can see by CLI. So I will walk through that commands also. There are list command, show command that are very, very important. You need to understand difference between list command, show command, and further on. But before going through that, guys, I want to make sure that you need to understand this components, modules. What is module? What is component and what is command? Okay. So modules, components, and commands. This is the hierarchical architecture which we follow. So F5 uses Linux operating system, and in Linux we follow tree architecture. And this tree architecture is built of these three components: modules, components, and commands. What does module mean? what does components mean and what does command mean. If you understand this, guys, you will say, oh, is it so easy? So let's go. Before that, guys, I wanted to tell you, when you log in via root, initially it will take to this mode, TMSH. Or you can say this hash. This hash presents that you are in shell. And if you come outside of this and go to your TMOS operating system, then you need to type this command, TMSH. That is very important. So initially, when you log into Putty through root credential, when you log in via CLI, your username is default username root and password is default. Guys, what is the default username and password for GUI? Anyone? For F5, anyone? So we have 26 people. Anyone can tell me what is the default username and password for GUI? So we have Amit, Ashik, Bharat, Bilai. Everyone is there in the call. Rohit. Anyone can confirm. So username is admin and password is admin. So let me log in through Putty. So you can also, guys, log in through Putty and we can walk through that. So I will log in into my device and I will make little bit font change so that you can understand little better. So I will log in to root. Just see root. See, guys. Right now on which mode is it? Can you see this? Right now this mode is which one? This is called your TMSH mode. So when you start working on CLI, you will understand what is TMSH. This is a shell mode where you can see CPU utilization, you can see memory utilization, and some Linux processes. Let's say I want to see which process is utilizing more resources. So there is a command called top. So that all commands can be looked via TMSH mode. Now, if I need to jump to TMOS, what I need to type? From here, from hash, from shell mode, I want to go to operating system mode, where you can, I will show you what is OS, what configuration you can run from OS. So the command to go through that is, you need to type TMSH, that's it. That is very, very important, guys. So just type TMSH, you will get. Now, if you want to come outside of this, from operating system to bash or shell mode, guys. Anyone knows? Now I am in TMOS mode. Previously, I was on TMSH mode. Now, if I need to come outside of this, what I need to type? You need to type just bash. BASH. So see, I will type bash. Right now, I am in shell mode. Sorry, my mic got muted. So I was talking about when we talk about F5 hierarchical architecture. So it's divided into three subcategories: modules, submodules, and components. What does module means, guys? Anything which is there in F5, like LTM is one module, GTM is one module, ASM is module, network is one module, authentication is one module. So that is called your modules. So if I go through GUI, guys, I will show you what does modules means. I will log in into GUI. It's easy. If you understand these three components, then it will not cause any issues. In GUI, this is called local traffic. Correspondence to CLI, it is called LTM. So this is one of the module. Just understand this. Network is a GUI component. In CLI, it is correspondence is net. If you want to see any related configuration related to network, you need to go to net module. This is one module. These are example of your module. If you want to see system, there is a correspondence sys module. These are the most widely used component to configure any CLI configuration. If there is GTM, this is a GTM module. In CLI, it is correspondence to GTM, small GTM. If I want to see any related configuration related to management, then it is called MGMT. That is, you need to understand local traffic in CLI is LTM. If I want to see any virtual server configuration, I need to go to LTM module. You need to understand which components or which features comes under local traffic. If I want to see virtual server, pools, pool member, then I will go to LTM modules. If I want to see VLANs, interfaces, self IPs, then I need to go to which component, guys? Anyone on the chat? If I want to see VLAN, interfaces, self IPs, which module I need to go? Excellent. Network module is correct, but there is a correspondent Shiva Kumar and Amit, you are guide. You are correct. So that is called net, N-E-T. You need to go to net. If I want to see any related license or any upgrade or any configuration related to iOS upgrade, then I will go to system tab. So that are the correspondent CLI for GUI. In GUI, that is called local traffic. In CLI, it is called LTM. This is called net. This is called sys. So that is your hierarchical architecture for first component, that is called modules. Now next component which comes into picture is submodules. Now what does submodules means, guys? You have understand modules. Like first your root directory comes into picture, then your modules. What is submodules means? Guys, submodules are the components which comes under your, let's say, LTM. In LTM, your submodules are monitor, profile, persistence. In network, you have VLANs, self IPs that are your submodule. So it is like that. In, let's say my LTM is a module. In that, my submodule is monitor. In network, it is NET, and in under NET, I have VLANs. So if I want to see any configuration related to VLANs, I will go to net module, then I will jump into VLANs. If I want to see health monitor, I will first go to LTM module, then I will go to monitor. And after monitor, guys, if I want to see TCP monitor, that is your component. See this architecture, guys. You will understand. In LTM, you have monitor. Under monitor, HTTP. So this is how your architecture is. LTM, then you need to go to monitor, then sub monitor. What is the monitor type? TCP, HTTP. So it's like subdivided. First, it's a parent, then it's a child, then it's a component. So this is called modules. This is called submodule, and these are your components. What comes under monitor? All this. What under? So now my example, guys, here. If I need to go to profile, in which directory I need to go first? I want to see local traffic profile, HTTP profile. Simple HTTP profile I want to see. First, I need to go to which module? I will go to, my module will be LTM. After that, what will be my submodule? If I want to see profiles, what will be my submodule, guys? In your diagram, it's there. Excellent. It will be profile. And I want to see HTTP, then you will see HTTP. I will explain you why we need to go like this. You will understand. But you need to first understand what is module here, which one is submodule, and what is the component. So that is an example. Okay. If I want to say SNAT, so see, LTM is directly go to SNAT. Now, guys, these are very important. If you understand this, then CLI is easy. Why? I will show you in next 2 minutes. Now, guys, since it's a hierarchy or a tree structure, you can jump each other. So how I will jump, I will show you. Now, please open your, everyone, please open your putty. We will go together. I will change the color. Just so that it will be, I wanted to change to green to show you. Anyways, not an issue. Now I am into shell mode. I will go to TMSH. Okay, now guys, I want to see TCP monitor configuration. First, I will go to which mode? I will go to see this. I will type LTM. Can you see this? It has jumped to LTM. I'm just typing LTM. So where it goes? TMOS, then module. It comes under module. Now just type question mark. You will get many options. Can you see this? This is your module. You have LTM, management, network. It will give you what comes under net, what comes under LTM. Just type question mark. Then what is the component you need to see? Pool, nodes, everything. Then what is the command you can run? These are your command. If you want to see any new virtual server configuration you need to create through create command. If you want to delete, that will delete your configuration. Help command, list command, show command. It will give you the description also, guys. So don't need to cram it. Just follow the architecture and question mark level what I am showing you. You will understand everything in detail. These are all your, so can you see this? First modules comes into picture, then components. All these components comes under your LTM. That is node, pool, SNAT, virtual address, and commands. These are all your commands. If you want to do any changes via CLI, then after that you need to run a command save to save the configuration. So that is why I'm showing you that you need to remember what is module, what is component, and what is command. So this is the architecture you need to understand. Module, what comes under module, what comes under your component, and what comes under your commands. Commands are like create command, delete command, show command, list command. I will show you which are mostly used command. Help command, cd to change the directory, to see the logs, everything you can see. If you want to see any routing table, netstat, save command, that is very, very important. Quit command, reboot, reset stats. If you want to clear the statistics, then you can run reset stats. Now, guys, I will give you one. Let's discuss. So how to come back? Press Q. Now I am into LTM module, guys. I want to see configuration related to virtual. How many virtual IPs are configured? I want to see all my virtual configuration, my virtual server. What is the command I will type here? I am in LTM. In LTM only we have virtual server. So what I will run here? I want to see all my virtual server configuration. My question is, I want to see how many virtual servers are configured in my F5. What is the command? So the command is list. But it's showing me all my configuration what is there. But I want to see only virtual server, guys. So where I need to go? I will go to virtual. Now I will type list. Very, very easy, guys. So I just go to LTM, my module, then in LTM virtual, because I want to see virtual server configuration. That is my component. This is my module. This is my component. And what is this, guys? Anyone? Here in this architecture, first one was module. Then it was component. What is this? List. Anyone? Just remember that three terms, module, excellent, guys. Command. Very, very easy, guys. You don't need to remember. Even you can type question mark. Now, if I want to come back, what I need to do? Now, my question is, I want to see pool level configuration. What are the pools configure on my F5s? So I will come exit. It will go back. Now I want to see pool configuration. What should I type, guys? You can type question mark and see, is there any pool? See, this is pool. If you don't remember anything, just type question mark and you will see what is the, I want to see pool configuration. So where I need to go? Anyone, guys? I want to see here, what are my pools? Where I need to go? What I need to type here? I need to see all my pools. No, Abu Bakr, that is wrong. Avneet, that is not correct. Please, guys, remember that. I am in module now. Then I need to go to which money component is correct. What component I should type here? Money, you are correct. Rohit Singh, excellent. Pool. Just type P and tab, you will get it. Just type P, tab in your laptop. P, tab, you will see. Pool, can you see this? Now what I need to type? I am in module, sub module or component. Now I want to see all my pool configuration. How many pools are configured? Which command I need to type? Now, Abu Bakr, Avneet, you all are correct. Mayur, Ketan, very good, guys. List. Excellent, guys. Very good. Now my question is, I want to see monitors. What I need to type? I want to see my health monitor configuration. How many monitors are configured here? Where I need to do? I need to just type question mark and I will go to component. In component, there is any monitor? Anyone? Can you see any monitor? Where the monitor is? So you need to just type monitor. M, just type M, then it will give you monitor. Tab. You just type M and tab. Just type O and tab. N and tab. It will just take. Don't do anything. Question mark, tab. Question mark, tab. Then question mark. It will give you what are the components coming under your monitor. These are all your monitors. So I will type monitor. Now I want to see all my health monitor. What I need to type, guys? Anyone? Which I am in, sorry. I am into right now module component. What is the command I need to type here? No, Saurabh, you are not correct. Please remember, guys, try to remember. Until you are not cleared, you will not understand. First component was module. Second component was component. Monitor is my component. No, Saurabh. Anyone else? I need to see all my health monitor configuration, guys. Excellent, Shiva Kumar. Very good. You are great. Guys, module, component. After that, what comes under picture? Command. Don't, why you are forgetting, guys? List. List is to see all your configurations. Excellent, Shiva. Just type L, question mark, list. See this, guys. It will show you what are the things you have configured. Now I want to see HTTP monitor only. Can anyone tell me? I want to just see HTTP monitor. How I can do this? No, Abu Bakr, you need to tell me what I need to type. I don't need to type list HTTP. No, guys. Guys, when I say HTTP, just type H and question mark. HTTP, excellent money. Just remember this, whatever I am saying, just type that H, question mark, TP. Now what I need to type? Excellent, Abu Bakr. Now you are clear. I want to see all my health monitor related to HTTP. Now you are getting clear. See, that is the logic you need to understand. Now, question 2, Mr. Saurabh, I want to see all configuration related to TCP. I want to see all TCP health monitor, what I need to type. Mr. Saurabh, I'm looking for your answer. Excellent, Saurabh. Now, Bhavani Shankar, Bharat, what I need to type? I have typed TCP. After that, what I need to type to see all my TCP health monitor? Ketan has given the answer. Anyone else? Mubarak has given. Anoj. Excellent, guys. List. Excellent. Now, guys, I want to see my VLANs. I want to see my VLANs. How many VLANs are configured in my F5? Anyone want to try? Just remember this module, component. No one will teach you like this, guys. Command. This is the logic and live experience which I am sharing. I don't remember commands. I follow the logic. Now anyone wants to try this command? Where I need to go? Anyone? Just hold on. Excellent, Mr. Mubarak, Jas, Shiva. Excellent, guys. First, I need to type exit, guys. I need to go back, right? Exit, exit. See, first I exited from, then I came into monitor. Now exit. Now I am into TMOS. Now I need to type which command here now. Now tell us. So someone was saying net. Amit, net component. What is that net component? You need to type net, guys. N. Type N. Net. After that, I want to see VLAN. Where I need to go, guys? After that, anyone? Avneet, excellent, brother. Anyone else? After net, I need to type what? V, question mark, LAN. See. Anjani, your VLAN comes under your virtual address or network component? My question is, I want to see how many VLANs are configured. Type VLAN. Is there any virtual address coming, Anjani? So I want to see VLAN. VLAN comes under which module? Net. Now anyone? What next I need to type? Quickly, guys. Someone was saying list. Okay. Excellent, guys. Saurabh, self IP. Why I need to type self IP? I need to see VLAN. Self IP is a part, not of VLAN. It's a separate component. Excellent, guys. Now I want to see interfaces. Which thing I need to type, guys? I want to see how many interfaces are there in my F5. I have an F5. Client is coming, then F5 is connected to switch. Then my servers. I want to see interfaces where I need to type I. Is there an interface? Here it's interface. Just type interface. Excellent, Tapan. Now what command I need to type? Bhupalan, I will not run full command. You can run full command, but I follow this approach, which I feel easy. See this. That is the first command we do in day 1 lab. I want to see all my interfaces. I told you management interfaces we cannot see by GUI, but here you can see management. Now, guys, I will I want to see my interface's traffic. We have seen list command. List command shows you what thing? It will give you all your actual configuration data. What is the configuration present? It will give you all the details. Now there is one component shows as show. It will give you runtime information. Runtime information means statistics. Or status, whether interface is up or down. So very, very important, guys. In any of your interview or any in production, these two commands are highly used. List and show command, guys. So Abu Bakr is having a question. He's saying how to see specific interface. That I will come, Abu Bakr. But you need to first understand difference between list and show. Show will give you the statistics, whether interface is up or down, or how many packets have been arrived. So I will show you. Just go to show. See the difference. Show will give you the traffic flow, how many packets are coming, statistics, whether interfaces are up or down. So you need to understand. Now I will type list. See what is the difference. Show is giving you the statistics, whether interfaces are up or down. Drops, any drops. Guys, this is very helpful. If some customer is saying slowness issues, I will check errors also and drops, whether any drops or error is there on my F5 interfaces. That is the difference between show and list. List will show you the configuration, detailed configuration. Very, very important, guys. Again saying you need to understand the difference between list and show. Now, Mr. Abu has a question. I need to see specific interface. So you can type exit, list, network interface, then type this. You just go here. First, type I tab, then this is also the way to type net, then I, then tab. Don't need to remember list, tab, net tab, I tab, then tab. So here you will see type 1.2. Okay, Mr. Abu Bakr, this is how you can see. Don't need to remember anything. I want to see statistics for 1.2. Can anyone tell me the command? I want to see the traffic, whether there is any drop. My people say that I want to see external interface drop. Is there any external interface drop? My manager come to me, hey Vidit, can you check any drop on external interface? So what is the command, anyone? Which command I should type? S show, then N tab, INT tab. Excellent, guys here. I'm very happy. You are getting it. So that is all about CLI. You need to understand the logic. Then we will discuss different command, but this is how we can see. So that is the difference between list and show command. Mubarak, debug command, we will talk about TCP dump. There is a command called TCP dump that is used for debug. We will show this. Next topic is Wireshark only. I will show you everything. Now, this is all about your CLI, how you can exit it. Tabular format cannot come. That you need to understand your logic or move to Excel. You cannot do like this in F5 tabular format. Now guys, next important command is create. Now we will understand different commands related to F5. We have run this. These are the most used command in production environment. Now first command we have run list. We have also talked about exit. We have also talked about show command. Now what is create? So let's see this. Now my question is, guys, I want to create new pool with 3 servers RGB. How I can configure? I want to create new pool in F5 via CLI. Anyone wants to try? So let's go into putty. I don't know the command. I will go to putty. I know just a create. Create is used to create a new configuration, guys. Now I need to create configuration related to pool. So let's see how we can run this. So I will go to create, then tab. Where I need to go, guys? I need to configure pool, new pool. Anyone? What I need to type? There is no config mode here actually. Money. So just go, this is your config mode only. TMOS mode is your config mode. Then type LTM, excellent, question mark. Then where I need to go? Create LTM, I'm into create LTM. Where I need to type? I will type P, tab. Now question mark. I need to give the pool name. I will say width tab. After that, what I need to do, guys? From this properties, I have given the create LTM pool name. Now from this, anyone wants to try, I need to add 3 pool members, RGB server. Anyone wants to try? From which this component, what I need to type? From this, any guesses? I want to create 3 pool members in my pool with it, with load balancing method round robin. Anyone wants to type on the chat? Let's see. Excellent, guys. Members. After that, add. I need to add AD. After then, tab bracket will come automatically. I will type IP address or server 1, server 2. But see, can you see server 1 port number is missing? I type tab, I will type port number, server 2 port number, then question mark and. Now what is giving? After that, I have given question mark tab. Now what I need to type? Anyone? I have created 2 pool members in with it. Now I need to select load balancing algo. Which command I need to see? Mayur, 6 members we don't need to add. I am just adding 2 members just to show you. After that, I want to select load balancing algo. So I will type load balancing mode, guys. Very good. Question mark. It will give you. Or tab, just tab, press tab. I will say round robin. It's done. Now, very, very important, very important thing. Yeah, that is Mubarak you can do. If you do any changes in CLI, you can change via GUI. You can modify it. Now, question is, if you do any changes via CLI, you need to save it. But from GUI, we don't save it. In CLI, you need to save it. So what is that command? Very, very important. If you do any changes in CLI, you need to save it. Otherwise, if you reboot it, your configuration will be vanished. SAVE, guys. Save, question mark, very good money. Sys config. This is the command. Please understand again, if you do any changes via CLI, you need to type save sys config. Why? Because this is a running config. You need to store in yours. Whenever if a reboot happens, it will cause an issue. So that is how, if you do through GUI, you don't need anything. But if you changes via GUI, don't need to run save sys. But if you do any changes via CLI, guys, you need to type this command, save sys config. Very, very important, guys. Okay, that was another command. Now, if I want to see whether GUI this pool is created, Mubarak was saying any changes if I need to do, I can mix it. Yeah, I will show you. First, I need to check whether my pool is created or not. So I will go to local traffic pool with it. Now, Mubarak, if what is missing here, guys? Anyone can guess it? Right now, its color is blue. What in this command? What got missed? Anyone type on the chat. We missed something. Health monitor. Now I need to modify anything. Guess. I want to do via CLI. I will not do via GUI, guys. I need to modify this pool and apply an TCP health monitor. What is the command? So if you want to do anything, changes via CLI, if you have done it by mistake, if you miss something, then you need to type modify. If you type create again, it will create new pool. To modify the current configuration, you need to type modify. Now what I will do, modify question mark LTM question mark pool question mark Which pool I need to go, guys? With it. Question mark. What I have missed? Monitor. I will supply monitor TCP. Save says config. Now we will see. See this, guys. It has come green. Now I want to delete this pool of windows. This is down and it is not been used. Customer wants to decommission this. What is the command I need to run? Anyone? I want to delete this pool monitor. Pool of windows. What command I need to type? Anyone on the chat? Excellent solo. Tapan, I think you are an expert in F5. You are typing all commands correct. Excellent. Delete question mark. LTM. No, Saurabh. Again, you are not following the approach. First, I will type L. Then pool. Question mark. Pool. You can go like this also. This is not correct. See, delete. LTM. Pool comes under which module? Then pool. Then excellent Bhupalan. Done. Do I need to do anything else here, guys? Anyone? I've done the configuration. Excellent, Abu Bakar. Save says config. It is same like write configuration, write command. Now my question to guys you, if anyone today give me the correct answer for next question, I will give you 50% discount in my Wireshark course for today. Next question, who will answer me? I will give you 50% discount for one student in Wireshark course valid for today for videos. My question is, I have Vidit pool. Vidit pool has these two servers. I want to delete server 1 from this. I have a Vidit pool. From that, I need to delete server 1. Just type in chat. One lucky winner will get 50% off on my recorded videos of Wireshark. If you answer this. My question is, I have Vidit as a pool and I want to delete server 1. So money, okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes more. Let's see who will type correct command. So far, we have got many answer. My question is, I want a correct command. I have a pool with it. In pool with it, I have server 1. I need to delete that. Irshad, CLI command, brother. Don't take shortcuts. Okay, time is over, guys. First, Mubarak command. Sorry, first answer was money. Money is saying to type this. I will show. What's this money says? Delete LTM pool. Then pool with its name. So money, your command is with it. After that, you are saying server 2. Let's see. Sorry, money. You were not the lucky winner. Now, another one is, let's see who has answered. Ketan. Ketan is saying delete LTM pool member with it. Server 1, money. Sorry, brother, you are wrong. Abu Bakr, delete LTM pool with it. Then this one, server 1. Sorry, Abu Bakr, you are wrong. Amit Pandey, delete LTM pool with it, server 1. Sorry, Amit. Jahaz, you are also wrong. Bhupalan, no. Bhupalan has said remove, but what is the remove? Amit Namukade, that you are also wrong. Delete LTM pool with it member. So what I will say, delete LTM pool question mark with it. After that, member. Sorry, that is not a command. Amit Mubarak also says LTM pool member server 1 delete. No. Shiva Kumar, modify LTM pool delete server 1. Let's try this. Modify LTM pool with it. Shiva Kumar and Kalpesh. Shiva, you were little bit correct. You were saying pool with it, delete server 1. No, that is not correct. Now, Kalpesh, modify LTM pool member, delete. Okay. There is no delete, guys. So, Kalpesh, you are not correct. Now, I will show you. Money, modify LTM. Okay. Money, LTM pool name with it, question mark I will type. Saurabh, you were not correct. So I will now show you. No one has correct answer so far, guys. Sorry. So no one was lucky. Now I will tell you. So just type question mark. And here you need to type members. Then delete. Then server 1 HTTP. So this is the correct command, guys. So guys, no one has tried this method question mark tab. If you would have tried this way, you did not need to type anything. I was showing you again and again. You don't need to remember it. Need to type tab. But anyways, good try everyone, guys. Now I will see. See guys, it has deleted. Okay guys. Now guys, I want to create 10 virtual servers quickly in 2 minutes. So far we have seen which commands? List, show, delete, save, modify, exit, create. So mostly these are the used command, but let's see. Okay, there is one command load. So let's come across load command. Now guys, I want to create 10 virtual servers quickly in 2 minutes. How I can do this? Very important thing, guys. I will go to this configuration. I will run this command, list LTM virtual. I will take one virtual server configuration. Okay, I will go here and notepad++. What I will do, I need to create 10 virtual servers. So I will just change here name of my virtual server HTTP1 IP 192. Rest thing I want to keep same because all things are same. Only I will change my virtual server's IP. First copy. Now I will make second virtual server here. Third virtual server, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. I'm copying everything in Notepad. Now what I will do, I will quickly change my names of, because if you type the same name, it will modify, it will take that 193. I'll change IP and name 194, 195, 196. So I will show you, I am creating 5 virtual server in 1 minute through CLI. You cannot create in GUI so quickly. So I will show you currently how many virtual servers I have. I will go to local traffic virtual server. I have 2 virtual servers. I need to create 5 more. I will go to Notepad. I will Control A, Control C, and I will run here. So command to run this LODE load sys config from terminal merge. What does this command is, whatever configuration you have, that will be there, but you need to mix other virtual servers also. You not need to merge other virtual servers also in your configuration. So I will just type this command and I will paste. See, whatever virtual server, then I will type Control D. So it is loading. Then I will type save sys config. Very important command. This will come in automation, guys. How to create multiple virtual servers in CLI. This is the command. You first prepare in Notepad, then run this command load sys config from terminal merge. See, can you see this? That is how you can create multiple virtual servers quickly. Now, guys, I want, if I do any critical activity, there is a command to verify also. Save sys config verify. Sorry, load sys config verify whether you have every configuration correct or not. Let's say if you're upgrading something or you are doing migration, this is the command to verify whether all your configuration has taken correctly or not. Let's say you're doing migration, you need to migrate from one box to another box. So you need to check whether everything is correct or not. So this is the command to verify. This command is very, very useful. Whether there is any mistake in any configuration or not, it will give you. If there is any error, it will give you. So it is verifying. See. Now I will come across this after a few minutes. These are the commands which are there. What is present in the bigip.conf? What is present in bigip base? Very, very important. But let's see. So it has warning, but it has taken. So guys, this was all about yours.